हेलो एभ्रिवान, वेलकम टु द युट्युब च्यानल सिभिल अभियन्ता। यदि हजुरहरूले यो च्यानल पहिलोपटक हेर्दै हुनुहुन्छ भने कृपया सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नबिर्सिनुहोला र यो भिडियोलाई लाइक, सेयर र कमेन्ट गर्न नबिर्सिनुहोला। यस च्यानलमा हामीले सिभिल इन्जिनियरिङसँग रिलेटेड टपिकमा लेक्चर प्रेजेन्ट गर्दै आएका छौँ। आज हामी लोकसेवा आयोग, सिभिल समूह, इरिगेसन उपसमूह, राजपत्र अङ्कित तृतीय श्रेणी प्राविधिक अधिकृत तहको 2069 साल फागुन 8 गतेको प्रश्नपत्र लिएर आएका छौँ। प्रश्न नम्बर 1, विच अफ द फलोइङ डिनोट्स अ डम्मी एक्टिभिटी पी? अप्सन ए, अप्सन बी, अप्सन डी, अप्सन सी, अप्सन डी यस प्रकार रहेको छ र यसको सही उत्तर हो अप्सन सी। क्वेसन नम्बर 2, बार चार्ट इज अल्सो नोन एज अप्सन ए हिस्टोग्राम, अप्सन बी फ्लो चार्ट, अप्सन सी टाइम चार्ट, अप्सन डी ग्यान चार्ट र यसको सही उत्तर हो अप्सन डी ग्यान चार्ट। Question number 3. In histogram, more prominent will be the differences in heights between the bars if option A range is small, option B range is large, option C range is medium, option D all of the above र यसको सही उत्तर हो option A range is small। Question number 4. Critical activities having total float are option A positive, option B negative, option C 0, option D equal र यसको सही उत्तर हो अप्सन सी 0। क्वेसन नम्बर 5. The occurrence of the starting of an activity is called its option A head event, option B dual role event, option C tail event, option D none of the above र यसको सही उत्तर हो अप्सन C tail event। Question number 6. An event is option A a dummy activity, option B the useful criterion, option C the start and or finish of an activity or group of activities, option D a definite time interval र यसको सही उत्तर हो अप्सन C the start and or finish of an activity or group of activities। Question number 7. The purpose of establishing a minimum acceptable rate of return is to ration capital to the option A most inferior proposal, option B most deserving proposal, option C average proposals, option D all proposals र यसको सही उत्तर हो अप्सन C average proposals। Question number 8. Excessive spending power of consumers that pulls prices up is called option A demand pull inflation, option B cost pull inflation, option C cost push inflation, option D demand push inflation र यसको सही उत्तर हो अप्सन नम्बर A demand pull inflation। Question number 9. Sensitivity analysis provides a second look at option A hazard evaluation, option B an economic evaluation, option C productivity evaluation, option D workmanship evaluation र यसको सही उत्तर हो अप्सन B an economic evaluation। Question number 10. The value of a property without being dismantled at the end of the useful life period is known as option A scrap value, option B salvage value, option C book value, option D junk value र यसको सही उत्तर हो option B salvage value। Question number 11. For any project to be feasible, option A future work should be negative, option B present work should be positive, option C annual work should be equal to 0, option D payback period should be equal to less than 5 years र यसको सही उत्तर हो option B present work should be positive। Question number 12. Net present value NPV is a term widely used in option A cost benefit ratio, option B internal rate or return, option C project cost analysis, option D none of the above र यसको सही उत्तर हो option number C project cost analysis। Question number 3. For a government funded development project, the most important factor to consider is option A cost benefit, option B social and political benefit, option C job creation, option D economic rate of return र यसको सही उत्तर हो अप्सन नम्बर बी social and political benefit। Question number 14. Material cost is concerned with option A direct cost, option B indirect cost, option C both A and B above, option D none of the above. यसको सही उत्तर हो option C both A and B above. Question number 15. If two projects are mutually exclusive, then option A, the one with the higher NPV should be chosen. Option B, the one with the positive NPV should be chosen. Option C, the one with the negative NPV should be chosen. Option D, reject both the project. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option A, the one with the higher NPV should be chosen. Question number 16. The effective length of a column having total length L held in positions at both ends but not restrained in direction is. यसमा हजुरहरूलाई रङ अप्सन दिएको छ. यसको सही उत्तर हो 1L. Question number 17. The permissible load on a short column reinforced with longitudinal bars and lateral stirrups where AC and AT are area of concrete and area of steel and C and T are stresses in concrete and steel is equal to option A CAC, option B TAT, option C CAC plus TAT, option D CAC minus TAT. यसको सही उत्तर हो option C CAC plus TAT. Question number 18. The rate of change of bending moment is equal to option A shear force, option B deflection, option C slope, option D rate of loading. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option A shear force. Question number 19. Which of the following structural analysis is a force method? Option A slope deflection, option B column analogy, option C moment distribution, option D none of the above. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option B column analogy. Question number 20. Stiffness factor is calculated in structural members for analyzing it by option A moment distribution method, option B slope deflection method, option C column analogy method, option D none of the above. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option A moment distribution method. Question number 21. Maximum bending moment at the center of single span beams is option A WL square by 8, option B WL square by 2, option C WL square by 3, option D 0. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option A WL square by 8. Question number 22. The ratio of effective span to overall depth of a simply supported beam shall not exceed option A 20, option B 25, option C 10, option D 40. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option A 20. Question number 23. In which type of structure whip holes are provided? Option number A retaining walls, option number B foundations, option C shear walls, option D none of the above. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option A retaining walls. Question number 24. The number of steps at one stretch in a flight or a staircase shall not be more than option A 20, option B 12, option C 15, option D 10. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option B 12. Question number 25. Which of the following is a mineral? Option A basalt, option B granite, option C quartz, option D cyanite. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option C quartz. Question number 26. The minimum hardness number for marble is about option A 10, option B 8, option C 5, option D 3. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option D 3. Question number 27. Softest rock is option A marble, option B talc, option C diamond, option C slate. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option B talc. Question number 28. Strength of cement with storage. Option A increase, option B same, option C decrease, option D none of the above. यसको सही उत्तर हो option C decrease. Question number 29. Which of the following pairs gives a correct combination of the useful and harmful constituents respectively of a good brick earth? Option A limestone and alumina, option B silica and alkalis, Option C alumina and iron. Option D alkali and magnesium. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option B silica and alkalis. Question number 30. Suitable type of stone for bridge piers construction is option A sandstone, option B limestone, option C slate, option D gneiss. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option D gneiss. Question number 31. The ultimate tensile strength of a good hydraulic lime in 1:3 lime sand mortar should not be less than option A 1 N by mm square, B 0.7 Newton per mm square, option C 0.5 Newton per mm square, option D 0.3 Newton per mm square. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option B 0.7 Newton per mm square. Question number 32. Granite is mainly composed of option A quartz and mica, option B feldspar and mica, option C quartz and feldspar, option D quartz, feldspar and mica. यसको सही उत्तर हो option D quartz, feldspar and mica. Question number 33. Ingredients required for coal tarring are option A unslaked lime, tar and kerosene oil, option B tar, turpentine and linseed oil, option C slaked lime, tar and spirit, option D cerasot, tar and linseed oil. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option D cerasot, tar and linseed oil. Question number 34. The timber whose thickness is less than 5 cm and the width exceeds 12 cm is called a option A board, option B plank, option C batten, option D log. यसको सही उत्तर हो option A board. Question number 35. The commonly used grade of bitumen that is used in moderate temperature range of Nepal is option A 60/100, option B 70/100, option C 80/100, option D 90/100. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option C 80/100. Question number 36. The trunk of the tree left after cutting all the branches is known as option A log, option B batten, option C plank, option D bulk. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option A log. Question number 37. Which type of floor is not appropriate for a hospital? Option A ceramic tile, option B marble, option C wood, option D stone. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option C wood. Question number 38. The recent material used in cladding multi-storied commercial buildings in Kathmandu is option A stainless steel, option B aluminium composite panel, option C marble, option D iron sheets. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option B aluminium composite panel. Question number 39. Marble is a option A sedimentary rock, option B metamorphic rock, option C igneous rock, option D none of the above. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option B metamorphic rock. Question number 40. If there is a dispute between an employer and contractor in a construction contract, it is generally resolved through option A dialogue, option B arbitration, option C court case, option D mediation. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option B arbitration. Question number 41. The money deducted from the contractor's running bill is called option A retention money, option B earnest money, option C bid money, option D none of the above. यसको सही उत्तर हो option A retention money. Question number 42. The Nepal Engineering Council Act was promulgated in option A 2046 BS, option B 2052 BS, option C 2055 BS and option D 2056 BS. यसको सही उत्तर हो option C 2055 BS. Question number 43. As per the National Building Code, buildings are classified into option A 6 types, option B 4 types, option C 3 types, option D 5 types. यसको सही उत्तर हो option B 4 types. Question number 44. Who is the chairperson of district level construction wages fixation committee in Nepal? Option A local development officer, option B Chief District Officer. Option C, Chief of District Technical Office. Option D, none of the above. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option B, Chief District Officer. Question number 45. Which of the following is not described in a work specification? Option A, applicable test. Option B, mode of measurement. Option C, materials to be used. Option D, unit rate of payment. यसको सही उत्तर हो option D, unit rate of payment. Question number 46. In a linear depreciation method of property valuation, depreciation is imposed on cost related to option A, land. Option B, building. Option C, services. Option D, all of the above. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option B, building. Question number 47. Detailed estimate is accompanied with option A, rate analysis. Option B, drawing, design and calculation. Option C, general specification. Option D, all of the above. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option D, all of the above. Question number 48. Salvage value of any structure is option A, more than the scrap value. Option B, less than the scrap value. Option C, equal to scrap value. And option D, none of the above. इसको सही उत्तर हो option A, more than the scrap value. Question number 49. The main purpose of rate analysis is option A, to find actual cost per unit items. Option B, to find economical use of materials. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option A, to find actual cost per unit items. Question number 50. Reinforcement is provided in cement concrete to increase its option A, ductility. Option B, compressive strength. Option C, hardness. Option D, stiffness. इसको सही उत्तर हो option A, ductility. Question number 51. The quantity of works of GI ridge of a sloped roof is calculated in option A, cubic meters. Option B, square meters. Option C, running meters. Option D, running. Option D, kg. र इसको सही उत्तर हो option C, running meters. Question number 52. The approximate weight of 1 cubic meters of mild steel is option A, 1 ton. Option B, 2.4 ton. Option C, 7.85 ton. Option D, 8.85 ton. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option C, 7.85 ton. Question number 53. The type of estimate used to calculate the cost of building for budgetary purpose is in general option A, cubic content estimate. Option B, detailed estimate. Option C, preliminary estimate. Option B, plinth area estimate. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option D, plinth area estimate. Question number 54. Which of the following is not a part of estimating norms for rate analysis? Option A, labor cost. Option B, material cost. Option C, equipment cost. Option D, taxes. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option D, taxes. Question number 55. The bending moment is maximum on a section where shear force is option A, maximum. Option B, minimum. Option C, changes the sign. Option D, equal. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option C, equipment. Option C, changes the sign. Question number 56. The age of tree can be judged from option A, the diameter. Option B, annual rings. Option C, piths. Option D, height. इसको सही उत्तर हो option B, annual rings. Question number 57. At the end point of a steel test piece, option A, materials obeys Hooke's law. Option B, materials behave in an elastic manner. Option C, materials regain its original shape on removal of load. Option D, materials undergo plastic deformation. इसको सही उत्तर हो option D, materials undergo plastic deformation. Question number 58. The bearing capacity of a waterlogged soil can be improved by option A, compacting. Option B, draining. Option C, increasing depth of foundation. Option D, grouting. र इसको सही उत्तर हो option B, draining. Question number 59. The factor called modular ratio is used for RCC designs in Option A, working stress method. Option B, limit state method. Option C, ultimate load method. Option D, yield theory method. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option A, working stress method. Question number 60. Which of the following is not a type of shear reinforcement in RCC section? Option A, vertical stirrups. Option B, inclined bars. Option C, closed space ties. Option D, none of the above. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option C, closed space ties. Question number 61. The critical section for two-way shear in an isolated column RC footing is considered at a distance from the column face equal to, where D equals to effective depth of footing slab. Option A, D. Option B, D by 3. Option C, D by 2. Option D, D by 4. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option C, D by 2. Question number 62. In a ribbed slab, the clear spacing between the ribs should not be more than option A, 30 cm, option B, 45 cm, option C, 60 cm, option D, 80 cm. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option D, 80 cm. Question number 63. Moment of inertia of a circular section about its diameter is option A, pi d power 4 by 16, option B, pi d power 4 by 32, option C, pi d square by 32, option D, pi d power 4 by 64. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option D, pi d power 4 by 64. Question number 64. The range of elongation in a structural steel should be option A, 10 to 15%, option B, 16 to 20%, option C, 21 to 25%, option C, 26 to 30%. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option D, 26 to 30%. Question number 65. If there is no lateral stiffening, then the depth to breadth ratio of a timber beam should not exceed option A, 3, option B, 4, option C, 5, option D, 2. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option A, 3. Question number 66. Strain in concrete at zero stress is called option A, creep loss, option B, relaxation, option C, shrinkage, option D, transfer stress. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option C, shrinkage. Question number 67. The process adopted for expelling the entrapped air from the concrete is known as option A, consolidation, option B, compaction, option C, hardening, option D, mixing. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option B, compaction. Question number 68. With the increase in moisture content, the bulking of sand, option A, increases, option B, decreases, option C, first increases to a certain maximum value and then decreases, option D, first decreases to a certain minimum value and then increases. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option C, first increases to a certain maximum value and then decreases. Question number 69. While compacting the concrete by a mechanical vibrator, the slump should not exceed option A, 2.5 cm, option B, 5 cm, option C, 7.5 cm, option D, 10 cm. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option B, 5 cm. Question number 70. Higher workability of concrete is required if the structure is option A, made from cement and concrete, option B, thick and lightly reinforced, option C, thin and heavily reinforced, option D, thick and heavily reinforced. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option D, thick and heavily reinforced. Question number 71. Efflorescence in cement is caused due to an excess of option A, alumina, option B, iron oxide, option C, silica, option D, alkalis. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option D, alkalis. Question number 72. The leveling operation that removes humps and hollows and give a truly uniform concrete surface is called option A, compacting, option B, troweling, option C, floating, option D, screeding. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option D. Screeding. Question number 73. Age factor for permissible compressive stress in concrete after 6 months is option A 1.10, option B 1.15, option C 1.20, option D 1.30. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option C 1.20. Question number 74. In case of hand mixing of concrete, the extra cement to be added is option A 5%, option B 15%, option C 10%, option D 20%. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option number C 10%. Question number 75. Workability of concrete increased due to an excess of option A water, option B round aggregate, option C cement, option D all of the above. इसको सही उत्तर हो option D all of the above. Question number 76. The property of the ingredients to separate each other while placing the concrete is called option A segregation, option B compaction, option C shrinkage, option D bulking. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option A segregation. Question number 77. Strength of concrete increases with option A increase in water cement ratio, option B increase in fineness of cement, option C decrease in curing time, option D none of the above. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option B increase in fineness of cement. Question number 78. A 15 centimeter theodolite means option A length of the telescope is 15 centimeter, option B diameter of lower plate is 15 centimeter, option C height of standards is 15 centimeter, option D radius of upper place is 15 centimeter. यसको सही उत्तर हो option B diameter of lower plate is 15 centimeter. Question number 79. A length of an engineer's chain is option A 50 meter, option B 50 feet, option C 100 meter, option D 100 feet. यसको सही उत्तर हो option D 100 feet. Question number 80. A plumb line is option A a vertical line, option B a line parallel to vertical line, option C a line perpendicular to level line, option D a line perpendicular to the horizontal line. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option C a line perpendicular to level line. Question number 81. When the staff is held on a beam of RL 100, the staff reading was 2. When the staff is held on station P, the reading was 3. Hence, the height of the instrument is option A 100, option B 102, option C 103, option D 99. हामीलाई थाहा छ height of instrument HI भनेको reduced level of benchmark plus back side reading. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option B 102. Question number 82. A freely floating needle slightly get inclined to the horizontal anywhere except on the equator. It is called option A declination, option B dip, option C local attraction, option D secular variation. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option B dip. Question number 83. Chain age is the distance measured option A along a chain line, option B perpendicular to a chain line, option C perpendicular to a tie line, option D none of the above. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option A along a chain line. Question number 84. A negative declination shows the magnetic meridian to the option A eastern side of the true meridian, option B western side of the true meridian, option C southern side of the true meridian, option D none of the above. इसको सही उत्तर हो option B western side of the true meridian. Question number 85. Third angle projection is the traditional Dirac systems. Option A American, option B British, option C Indian, option D Nepali. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option A American. Question number 86. Engineers prefer to make sketches than to pictorial sketches to clear the shape of an object. Option A orthographic, option B perspective, option C AutoCAD, option D all of the above. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option A orthographic. Question number 87. The selection of suitable scale and allotment of proper space for margin, title block, revision panel, folding marks, etc. on the drawing sheet is known as option A formatting, option B layout, option C folding, option D centering. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option B layout. Question number 88. The size of the title block of all sizes of drawing sheet is option A 420 mm, 65 mm, option B 185 mm, 65 mm, option C 297 mm, 65 mm, option D 185 mm, 50 mm. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option B 185 mm, 65 mm. Question number 89. The projection in which the length, breadth and height of an object is shown in one view is known as option A pictorial projection, option B isometric projection, option C cavalier projection, option D cabinet projection. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option B isometric projection. Question number 90. The shades and shadows are option A the same, option B the different, option C the result of object on the ground, option D the result of light on the ground. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option B the different. Question number 91. Pencil drawings are generally corrected or revised with the help of option A razor blade, option B eraser shield, option C ink, option D all of the above. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option B eraser shield. Question number 92. Freehand sketch is normally used for option A concept, option B final, option C discussion, option D none of the above. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option A concept. Question number 93. Hatching line is a line which makes an angle of 45 degree with option A horizontal, option B vertical, option C main line of the section, option D all of the above. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option C main line of the section. Question number 94. Measurements from scale to the drawing are transferred with the aid of option A scale, option B compass, option C divider, option D plumbing fork. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option C divider. Question number 95. A dummy activity. Option A has no tail event but only a head event. Option B has only head event but not tail event. Option C does not require any resources or any time. Option D has no bearing on the network and can appear anywhere. यसको सही उत्तर हो option C does not require any resources or any time. Question number 96. Project monitoring is option A review technique, option B a feedback mechanism, option C an essential component of construction management, option D all of the above. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option D all of the above. Question number 97. Cost slope of the direct cost curve is given by option A crash cost, normal cost upon normal time minus crash time, option B crash cost minus normal cost upon crash time, option C crash cost minus normal cost upon normal time, option D normal time minus crash time upon crash cost minus normal cost. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option A crash cost minus normal cost by normal time minus crash time. Question number 98. CPM adopts option A probabilistic approach, option B stochastic approach, option C linear approach, option D deterministic approach. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option D deterministic approach. Question number 99. Negative float for any activity means that the activity is option A subcritical, option B supercritical, option C critical, option D normal. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option B supercritical. Question number 100. at an event other than final event. If no activity emerges, it results in an error called option A looping, option B dangling, option C interfacing, option D splicing. र यसको सही उत्तर हो option B dangling. Thank you for watching video. We hope you understood each 100 questions. If there are any queries, please comment in comment section. Do not forget to subscribe our channel Civil Abhiyanta. अब अर्को भिडियोमा यस्तै नयाँ क्वेसनहरू लिएर आउने नै छौँ. Thank you.